Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle Shorts. I'm the Honey Badger, and this is the Arctic Fox 865 truck camper. Now, Arctic Fox puts good amount of insulation in the front cap, unlike a lot of manufacturers, because they know that's where you're going to sleep. They put real dual pane windows for the same reason. They are looking to make this as well insulated as humanly possible. They do a fabulous job with all of their truck campers. This specific one has a built-in generator, solar, hot water heater, has nice steps going in, power awning, prep for a backup camera, one-piece sink with cover, 3-burner stove, oven, 12-volt electric refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, booth dinette that turns into a bed. You also have your queen-size bed up front with closet on each side. You also have a lot of storage in the bedroom area for clothing. You have charging stations, both 12 volt and 15 amp. Good lighting, TV, fantastic fan. And then, of course, you have a full bathroom, or wet bathroom, I should say. Skylight. Now, you need a 1-ton truck, but well worth it. If you're going hunting, if you're going off grid, this is set up for it. This is well insulated for it. You should check it out.